Today start a new chapter, halogen derivatives. Look here everybody, a number of chapter in textbook number 10, halogen derivatives. Look here, this chapter, how many marks here? Compulsory 5 marks with option 7 marks. This is the simple chapter. This is the simple chapter based upon the chapter alkane. Chapter alkane. Okay. Look here, everybody. The first definition, what is meant by alkane? First definition, what is meant by alkane? Alkane is the saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon compound. Alkane, the saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon compound which contain carbon-carbon single covalent bond. You know, carbon-carbon single covalent bond having general molecular formula CnH2n+2. What is this? This is the alkane. Look here, a first definition in this chapter, everybody. What is? Okay, this is the basic concept. You studied the last time, 11th standard. Look here, what is alkane? The saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon compound. The saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon compound which contain a carbon-carbon single covalent bond having general molecular formula CnH2n+2 are called as alkanes. Everybody, N stands for number of carbon atom. They are also called as paraffins. They are also called as paraffins. You know example: methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. Okay, you know all these hydrocarbon series of alkane. Look here, a second definition arenes. Second definition arenes. Okay, yes. Look here, what is meant by arenes? What is meant by arenes? Look here, the aromatic hydrocarbon compounds. The aromatic hydrocarbon compounds are called as arenes. The aromatic hydrocarbon compounds are called as arenes. You know example here, arenes. Okay, the example is benzene. What is this? This is the benzene. Okay, this is the basic concept of the chapter halogen derivatives of alkanes or arenes. You know the first definition alkane, the saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon compound. You know, in case of arenes, you know, a aromatic hydrocarbon compounds. You know alkane, the saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon compounds, and in case of arenes, you know the aromatic hydrocarbon compounds. Look here, a next concept. You know, a next concept. Look here, halogen derivatives of. Here, halogen derivatives of. Halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives of alkanes or arenes. Or arenes. Okay, yes. Look here, halogen derivatives of alkanes or arenes. When two or more hydrogen atoms of saturated aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons are substituted by a corresponding number of halogen atoms, compound formed are called as halogen derivatives of alkanes or arenes. You know, look here, the first example CH4, second example CH4, third example CH4. You know, a one hydrogen atom replaced by one halogen CH3X. Look here, two hydrogen atom replaced by the two halogen atom. Next, you know, a 3 hydrogen atom is replaced by a 3 halogen atom. Means one or more hydrogen atom. What is this? Aliphatic hydrocarbon compounds. Aliphatic hydrocarbon compounds. or aromatic hydrocarbon compound. What is this? Aryl group means benzene, replaced by halogen atom. A hydrogen atom replaced by halogen atom. Halogen derivatives of alkanes or arenes when two or more hydrogen atoms of a saturated aliphatic or aromatic everybody hydrocarbon compounds are replaced by corresponding number of a halogen atoms or compound called as the compound formed are called as a halogen derivatives of alkanes or arenes. The first example, a one hydrogen atom replaced by the one halogen. Second example, two hydrogen atom replaced by the two halogen. A third, a three hydrogen atom replaced by the three halogen. Next is the four hydrogen atom replaced by the four halogen. What is this? A one or more hydrogen atom of halogen of a saturated aliphatic hydrocarbon or alkane is replaced by corresponding number of halogen atom. In case of arenes, everybody, here a one hydrogen atom of arene means benzene is replaced by the one halogen atom. What is this? Halogen derivatives of alkanes or arenes. Repeat everybody. When one or more hydrogen atoms of aliphatic hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbon are replaced by equal number or corresponding number of halogen atoms, the compounds formed are called as halogen derivatives of alkanes or arenes. Okay? Yes. Look here, halogen derivatives of alkanes or arenes. The chapter are distributed by the two parts. The first part is a halogen derivatives of alkane and second part, everybody, haloarenes. Means halogen derivatives of arenes. Halogen derivatives of arenes. Look here, separate definition here. Separate definition, halogen derivatives of alkane. Everybody, this is the simple knowledge, simple basic concept by using here halogen derivatives of alkanes here. Look here, what is meant by halogen derivatives of alkanes? What is meant by a halogen derivatives of alkane? Everybody, look here, first example, here one hydrogen atom is replaced by the one halogen, a two hydrogen atom replaced by the two halogen, a three hydrogen atom replaced by three halogen, and fourth, everybody, here, 4 CH4, CH4, a 4 hydrogen atom replaced by a 4 halogen atoms. Means when one or more hydrogen atoms of alkane are substituted by or replaced by equal number of a halogen atom, the compound formed are called as halogen derivatives of alkanes. Halogen derivatives of alkane. Repeat definition, everybody. Halogen derivatives of alkane when one or more hydrogen atoms of alkane are replaced by a corresponding number of or equal number of halogen atoms, the compound formed are called as halogen derivatives of alkane. Halogen derivatives of alkane. Look here, simple example. CH3I, name of the compound methyl iodide. Methyl iodide. In this example, one hydrogen replaced by the one iodine. Second, CH2. Okay, CH2. Look here, I. Next, I. Name of the compound ethylene. Ethylene diiodide. Ethylene diiodide. Look here, ethylene diiodide. In this example, how many hydrogen atom replaced by the iodine? A 2 hydrogen atom replaced by the 2 iodine. Next example, CHCl3. Look here, what is this? This is the chloroform. Look here, in this example, how many hydrogen atom replaced by chlorine atom? A 3 hydrogen atom replaced by the 3 chlorine atom. Next example, CCl4. Look here carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. Look here, last example. How many hydrogen atom replaced by the chlorine atom? A 4 hydrogen atom replaced by 4 chlorine atom. You know definition here, halogen derivatives of alkane. Look here, when one or more a hydrogen atoms of alkane are replaced by equal number of halogen atoms, the compound formed are called as halogen derivatives of alkanes. Halogen derivatives of alkane. Example, methyl iodide. Next example, ethylene diiodide. Third example, chloroform. Fourth example, carbon tetrachloride. Look here, everybody, simple criteria, simple, identify how many hydrogen atom replaced by, here halogen atom, here one hydrogen atom replaced by the one iodine, a 2 hydrogen atom replaced by 2 hydrogen atom replaced by 2 iodine, a 3 hydrogen atom replaced by 3 chlorine atom, and 4 hydrogen atom replaced by a 4 chlorine atom. What is this? Halogen derivatives of alkane. Everybody repeat the definition. When one or more hydrogen atoms of alkane are replaced by equal, means corresponding equal number of halogen atoms, the compound formed are called as halogen derivatives of alkane. Halogen derivatives of alkanes. Yes. Look here next point. The classification of halogen derivatives of alkanes. Everybody, halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives. The classification of halogen derivatives here, simple. Classification of halogen derivatives. Look here, the classification of halogen derivative based upon a carbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. Here carbon skeleton, a carbon single covalent bond, this is the alkane. Carbon skeleton, carbon double bond, this is the alkene. Carbon skeleton next, carbon triple bond, this is the alkyne. And the aryl group, everybody, haloarenes. First type here, haloalkanes. First type. Haloalkanes, everybody, simple, everybody, RX. Haloalkanes. A second example, like this. Second example, haloalkenes. Haloalkenes means CH2 double bond CHX representation. Look here, third example, Third example, here haloalkynes. Like this. C triple bond CX. Next example, everybody. Next example, haloarenes. Next example, like this. Haloarenes. Example like this means representation. X. Like this. Look here. The haloalkanes in the form of like this compound here, CH3CH2X. Look here, haloalkanes. Second, haloalkenes, and third example, haloalkynes, and next, everybody, haloarenes. Means halogen atom is attached to carbon single covalent bond. A halogen atom is attached to carbon double bond. A third halogen atom is attached to carbon triple bond. Next, halogen atom attached to carbon of a aromatic ring or benzene ring. Look here, the classification of halogen derivative based upon The classification of halogen derivatives is based upon a carbon skeleton to which halogen atom is bonded. Halogen atom is bonded. Halogen atom is bonded. You know first type, everybody? First type is haloalkanes. First type, haloalkanes. You know second type, haloalkenes. A third, haloalkynes. Next is the haloarenes. You know example, ethyl bromide. Example, CH3, CH2Br. Name of the compound. Name of the compound, ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide. Haloalkenes, you know, like this. Example, CH2 double bond CHCl. Okay, CHCl. Name of the compound, phenyl chloride. Phenyl chloride. Okay. Next, you know here, HC triple bond CCl. Okay, chloroethylene. YNE. Chloroethylene. The last example in case of haloarenes, like this. Okay, what is this? This is the chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. You know first type, everybody, the classification of halogen derivatives. Look here, the classification of halogen derivatives are based upon a carbon skeleton, based upon the carbon skeleton to which halogen atom is attached. Okay, here the first type is haloalkanes, second type haloalkenes, third type haloalkynes, and last type haloarenes. Everybody, each type, everybody here will be give the representation and the example, representation and example. You know, a simple part. Okay, alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and arenes. Okay, this basic concept studied last time, everybody. 11th standard, chapter hydrocarbon, most important chapter, hydrocarbon. You know here, classification of halogen derivative based upon okay, skeleton of carbon to which halogen atom is bonded. Okay, this is the simple part of in this chapter. Okay, complete the classification. Stop here. Thank you.